Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you want your bathroom to look more like a spa than a storage place for your various shampoo bottles and soaps, then consider installing a shower niche or bathroom niche in your bathroom. A bathroom niche is a built-in shelf that recesses into the wall of the shower to provide storage space for your bathroom products. It replaces the need for a caddy hanging from the shower head, a corner shelf that's hard to clean, or bottle sitting on the shower floor. It allows you to keep your shower looking clean and organized and provide a more luxurious appearance. Now it's time for some design inspiration. In this video, you will find all examples that show a variety of ways that a shower niche can be designed, from almost completely blending in to standing out with hidden lightings, to multiple niches, as well as one with a glass shelf inside them. Known as convenient cubbies in your shower wall, the bathroom niche is the one that will save you from frustration of knocking your shampoo bottles off the edge of the tub every time you take a shower. Not only it is one of the biggest bathroom design trend on the market right now, but it is also something fairly affordable and small that can add a nice touch to all of your new bathroom changes. A shower niche, which is sometimes called a bathtub niche, is a little bit of extra storage inside your shower wall where you can keep your hygiene product and items that would otherwise spill over the edge of your tub. Not only does it save you from having a rescue bottles from falling to the bathroom floor, but it also keeps your bathroom looking neat and tidy. Surprisingly, shower niches aren't as popular or well known as you may think, especially with them being one of the hottest design trend of bathroom remodeling. But the reason they aren't installed even more frequently than they are is that most homeowners don't think about those little inconveniences when planning for a bathroom redesign. In other words, how often do you think to yourself that you wish to had a place to put your shampoo bottles and soaps so that you don't have to litter them around the edges of the tub? You really only think about it when you are actively showering. Otherwise, it's out of sight, out of mind. And probably the biggest boost to the popularity of the shower niches is that they are very affordable. Some contractors and design experts can help you carve out a shower niche without costing you an extra penny on your initial budget. Shower niches come in different styles and types, so you have a wide variety of design to choose from. Typically, all shower niches can be categorized as either tile shower niche or finished bathroom niches. The kind you like most depend on you, as both provide the same function and level of design. Preformed niches. The preformed shower niche is a type of tile shower niche that is identifiable because of the way it is installed, as well as the type of the material used.